Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free Instagram followers in 2025. So as you can see, I got over 51,000 followers. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's easier than you think. So basically guys, there's a modded version of Instagram on hexmods.com where you can generate free followers. So just go to hexmods.com, find the Instagram followers mod, press on it, and we just wait for it to download. So as you can see, it's almost done. So let's just let it do its thing here. As you can see, alright, so basically you can see it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing. So there's going to be these apps at the end, and what you got to do is download 2 of the apps and follow the instructions. So they're 100% free, they're from the official store, and this will install it. So for instance, Travel Town says reach level 10, so you just press on it, press continue, play it, and reach level 10. So pretty easy stuff guys with these games. The games are actually, to be honest, the easiest apps to do because they're just completing a level in a game. Some of the apps suck, bro. Like, they are hard. So anyway, also on this list, there's Merge Gardens where you gotta reach level 9. There's tons of them, guys. So just do 2 of the apps, and you should easily get your modded version with free followers. So super cool guys. As you can see, I have 51,000 followers. That's awesome. So yeah, all you have to do guys is go ahead and download 2 of these apps. You're gonna be all good to go guys. So I don't know what they say, but this one says reach level 10, reach level 9. So just do whatever you need to do guys. Also, I do live in the US, so if you live somewhere else, they could be different apps, but that's fine. So I'll see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool guys, totally works. So yeah, peace out.